Why do we yawn? And why is it contagious? No, yawns don't just occur because of your annoying friend yapping all the time. Actually, yawning is your brain's way of cooling itself down. When you're tired or bored, brain temperature rises. A big yawn brings in cool air and helps regulate it. But here's the weird part. Seeing someone yawn tricks your brain into thinking you need to yawn too. It's a leftover from when we were super social animals. Yawning together kept the group alert. So, yeah, yawns are contagious. And if you just yawned, you proved it. Follow for more quick facts that blow your brain in 30 seconds.